Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to disable guest mode on Roku TV, okay? Now, you can do this on your Roku device or myroku.com. So, first, of course, you need to complete the welcome flow to get to the guest mode home screen, and then select home on your Roku remote, right? Scroll and select settings, select guest options, and then I want you to click on sign out and clear info. Just enter your Roku pin and select OK. Your guest mode will be turned off on your Roku device. What you can also do is go to myroku.com, my.roku.com. Go to that page on your computer, your smartphone, scroll down to My Streaming Devices and TVs, find your Roku device and select Disable Guest Mode. Just enter your Roku pin and, of course, select Disable Guest Mode to confirm, okay? And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.